Twitch channel point rewards. On this tab, you see a table listing all the rewards you have on Twitch. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can sort this table by any column except options by clicking on the column name. Rewards are organized into groups. You cannot have rewards outside of a group. The non-group is the default group, but its actual name is an empty string. All groups are sorted alphabetically, and the rewards within each group are also. If you delete all rewards from a group, the group itself will be removed. In the table you can see reward name, the name of the reward, cost, the cost in channel points, enabled, indicates whether the reward is enabled and can be redeemed. If it's disabled, it will not be visible in the chat rewards menu. Paused, indicates whether the reward is paused. When paused, it's still visible in the chat rewards menu, but cannot be redeemed. Options displays abbreviations for the activated options. PC, persisted counter, PUC, persisted user counter. Owned shows whether Streamer.Bot created this reward and has full control over it. If the reward is not owned by Streamer.Bot, the row also will be highlighted to indicate this. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog to add a new reward. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl-A. If you double-click on a group's header, it will expand or collapse the group. If you right-click on a group's header, you will see the following options. Add adds a new reward to this group. You can also select another group or create a new one. Group, a submenu with additional options. Rename allows you to rename the group. Enable, disable all. Enables or disables all commands within the group. Pause, unpause all. Pauses or unpauses all rewards within the group. It sends an API request to Twitch, so there may be a delay before the status changes. If you right-click on any single reward, you will see the following options. Add. Open the Add Reward dialog pre-populated with the current group's name. Empty is the name of the default group None. Edit. Open the Edit dialog for the selected reward. Delete from Twitch. Delete from Streamer.Bot. You will see the first option if the reward is owned by Streamer.Bot. It will delete the reward from both Twitch and Streamer.Bot. If it's not owned by Streamer.Bot, it can't be deleted from Twitch and will only be removed from Streamer.Bot. However, it will reappear when you restart Streamer.Bot. Duplicate creates a copy of the selected reward. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D. Rename group opens a prompt to change the group's name. This option is unavailable for rewards in the default group. Group opens a submenu displaying a list of all groups. You can assign the selected reward to any group from the list. Enabled toggles the enabled state of the selected reward. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl-O. This option is unavailable for rewards that Streamer.Bot doesn't own. If you try to use a shortcut, you will receive an error message. Pause toggles the pause state of the selected reward. Sub only toggles whether this reward is available only to subscribers. These two options are also unavailable for rewards that Streamer.Bot doesn't own. Persist counter ensures that Streamer.Bot saves the total counter of how many times this reward was redeemed by all users, even across Streamer.Bot restarts. By default, this counter is cleared when Streamer.Bot is closed. Persist per user counter ensures that Streamer.Bot saves the counter tracking how many times each user has redeemed this reward, even across Streamer.Bot restarts. By default, this counter is cleared when Streamer.Bot is closed. Copy reward ID copies the Twitch's internal ID for the selected reward to the clipboard. If you double-click on a reward, it will open the Edit dialog. In the Edit dialog you can enable/disable it, pause, unpause it, change its name, set the cost of the reward, toggle whether it requires input from the viewer or not, change the reward's description, set the background color of the reward. Redemption skip queues determines whether the reward should skip the queue and be immediately fulfilled, or if it should be manually fulfilled or rejected. Set limits how many times the reward can be redeemed, per stream, per user per stream, global cooldown in seconds, persist counter, persist per user counter, group allows you to change the group of the reward. If the reward is not owned by Streamer.Bot, you can only change the last three options.